Hello there. Come take a quiet moment with me. Have you ever seen pyramids in the Alps? Not made of stone blocks, not in a desert, but here, in the heart of Switzerland. Formed not by human hands, but by rain, wind, and time. The pyramids of Euseigne are among the most astonishing natural wonders in Switzerland. They lie in the canton of Valais, between the Val de Herens and the Val de Remons. What looks from above like the ruins of an ancient city is, in truth, a masterpiece of nature, shaped by time, ice, and rain. At the end of the last ice age, around 80,000 years ago, the mighty Remons glacier slowly retreated. It left behind huge amounts of moraine, a mix of clay, sand, and enormous boulders. Under the pressure of the ice, this mixture hardened into something like natural cement, what geologists call a concrete moraine. Then came the wind, the rain, the meltwater. And slowly, they began to shape this strange material. The soft ground washed away, except where a heavy stone lay on top. There, the soil was protected, and so slender pillars of earth began to rise, each one crowned with a massive stone. Some are up to 15 meters tall, carrying rocks that weigh more than 20 tons. But this wonder of nature is fragile. Water creeps into the cracks, ice expands and breaks the core. And once the stone cap falls, the pillar begins to crumble. Some have already lost their crowns, and with time, they will disappear entirely. The pyramids of Euseigne remind us nature works slowly, but with incredible power. A quiet wonder in the heart of the Swiss Alps,